Old Jethro over there, I think he wants to fight. Dun, 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 dun. Now watch him walk past you. He gonna come at me. Watch. He ain't doing it, boy. I got this motherfucker gonna try to sneak me 12 times. Son of a bitch and barnyard chicken. Fat fuck. Duck butted ass. Son of a bitch. He hits like a punk. Fuck you. You ain't no goddamn game foul. You ain't built like that. You ain't built like that. I'm at the scratch line. Where are you? Yeah. Y'all. Oh, you want to scratch over there? Okay. This motherfucker right here, y'all. Some bitch. Watch him come out of there. Nah, never mind. He don't want none. He changed his mind. Look at him thinking about it. Look at him. He thought about it.